also call it pontocerebral junction. You are understanding? So that is the point, pontocerebral junction, where facial nerve is exiting outward. Let's see a frontal view, right? Let me draw midbrain from the front and brain stem. This is the brain stem from the front, right? Pons, medulla. And what is on the side? Yes? Cerebellum. Thank you for knowing. And sixth nerve come out here, right? Seventh nerve is exiting at this point. Seventh and seventh, right? And of course, just lateral to the seventh, which nerve is coming out? Eighth. Vestibulocochlear. You are getting it? At pontomedullary junction, as you move from medial to lateral, the nerves which are coming out there, or they are attached at this junction, that is 6th, 7th and 8th. Abducent, facial and vestibulocochlear. Is that right? But especially because 7th and 8th are much laterally placed, so we can also say that they are exiting at pontocerebral junction. Right? So these facial nerve fiber, which are going to be connected eventually with the, mainly with the muscles of facial expression, right? They are coming out from here and they make the facial nerve proper. This is one group of fiber. Then there's another type of motor fibers which come out of the brain stem and become part of the facial nerve, right? This everyone knows. The facial nerve has fibers for the muscle, the facial expression, but facial nerve has more fibers, right? Now, second group of motor fibers which are coming for the facial nerve, right? Those motor fibers are basically parasympathetic fibers, and those parasympathetic fibers help you to lacrimate and salivate. Is that right? Now, those parasympathetic fibers which are part of the facial nerve, and eventually they supply the lacrimal gland and which salivary gland? Submandibular and sublingual salivary gland. Is that right? They are connected to which nucleus in the brain stem? Anyone? What? My question is, listen, my question is, facial nerve has parasympathetic fibers, right? Facial nerve has parasympathetic fiber. My question is, in the central nervous system, in the brain stem, these fibers are coming from which parasympathetic nucleus? Yes, anyone? What happened? You don't want to